Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my unboxing channel. Today we're going to be doing 3 boxes in one video. These are a Topbox's October box. So first I'm going to do my Prive box that I got. Sorry. So the payment gets taken on the 20th of the month. So I would have paid for this in October, but the 26th, 27th, or the 28th, you get an email and they'll give you a list of options to trade your regular box for another box. So one of the options was what they called a Rexall. They had 3 different Rexall choices. So they came with different products. One was dry shampoo, lip gloss, and stuff like that. And then the 4th one was Laneige BB Complex Foundation Cream, or CC, I'm not sure exactly. So I'm going to open this up because I obviously got one of them. I believe it's the Laneige. So let's see here. And it is. So it is actually the BB cushion. It's kind of a large box for something so small. So this is sorry, for now this is full size. I'm hoping that's not the color because that'll be off from mine. So this is number 11 in porcelain. So just open it quickly. Yay, I'm so excited for this. It's a little dark, but we'll see if it works. If not, I'm sure I'll figure out something. Can't really try it on right now because I do have on makeup, but it's kind of nice. It opens up, and then this looks like it is an extra one, which is kind of nice. That I am totally stoked for. Apparently this retails for about $30–40, so I only paid $12 plus tax, so it was like $13.56 Canadian, so it's kind of nice. Now I did see something else in here, so I'm not sure what this is about. I'll have to check my emails. It's a retouching one from Bobbi Brown in light, which is kind of awesome. So that's kind of nice. So then you can get one-off boxes on the Topbox collection. I got 2 boxes. I got a mystery box, which is this one, and then I got a Halloween treats, which is this one. So this one is $12 plus tax. You can get $5 off coupons if you refer someone to Topbox. If they use your link, you get $5 off. I didn't get $5 off, so this is completely mystery. So I have to see what is in here. A Clarin's Hydra-Essentiel moisturizes and quenches silky cream, normal to oily skin, which is what I am. Now that is actually a really good size. Now I got a bunch of Clarin stuff in my Shoppers Drug Mart bag, which I did post what I had, and so I'm kind of excited to use that. So this is Redken's No Blow Dry NBD Cream, Airy Cream for fine hair, which I do have. So I'll be using that. So the next item is a Stay Matte Rouge Liquid Lipstick, a Rosetto Liquido. Actually, that's a nice color. This is probably just up my alley too. Don't like how it's not sealed, but the box is kind of neat. It does have something funky going on the bottom. Not sure what that is. And then the last item is Sexual Noir Michel Germain. I'm wondering if it's perfume or it's cologne. I'm not exactly sure, but that's kind of nice. Although I'm not a big perfume wearer. So I got that for $12. That's actually not too bad. So the next item that I have here is my sweet treats. Now I do know what's in this. It's been a while since I ordered it, but this was $26 and it's stuffed full. So I like masks, so this is one of the reasons why I got it. MaskerAides. Now these are 12 mini masks, crystal clear mini sheet masks. Cleanse skin and dry thoroughly. Apply individual mask to desired area of face and body. Leave for 10 to 20. Remove mini mask and massage any excess serum to skin. Oh, it's kind of neat to show what they look like. So this is Bubble Pop, a charcoal bubble sheet. I can't wait to try that one. So then they have MannaKadar eyelashes, which my daughter will probably get. They love including this in everything. I've gotten about 3 of these. Eyebrow gel, clear. GlamGlow, which you can never have too much GlamGlow. And then the lipstick I got is Smashbox. Now this would be a variant, so with a different color. So I'll probably put this up for trade because I believe I already have this color. It doesn't say what color it is. Come on. Then the last item is the reason why I actually got this box. This is Morgan Taylor's Little Misfit. I love nail polishes too. And I took off my nail polish today, which is probably a good thing. It's kind of runny. Whew. It smells like nail polish. So I kind of did that sloppily. So that's only 1 coat, but it's supposed to be like a halo. So probably put another coat on. So this actually usually tells you how much everything is, but it doesn't. So yeah, that's what I paid for. So I believe the masks are like $7 each, and they kind of give you a breakdown. For $26, it's not bad. I know this can be quite expensive, so. I wonder why that's so runny. I've never had a, but anyway, so I think that's it. So, I mean, like, this is obviously my highlight right here. I'll be trying this on tomorrow and seeing how it looks. But yeah, the boxes are nice. I will have the referral link for Topbox monthly if you are interested in signing up. Yeah, I should do it pretty quick. Like I said, they usually have a cutoff and you're on a waiting list. So from now to the 20th, you might be on a waiting list, and then the 20th they usually open it up, and or they'll let you know a couple days beforehand that you're off the waiting list, and then they'll charge you on the 20th. It's $12 plus tax. There's no shipping, which is awesome. It ships the 15th of the next month. Or, but if you do get a Prive box, usually it's shipped out before if you don't have any other boxes coming, but maybe because I had these 2 boxes, they decided to, and it all came in 1 box. So they combined all the shipping. This is on Topbox collection. If you kind of Google it, it'll come up all the different boxes they have. I believe the sweet treats is still available. The mystery box isn't, but often they'll have a mystery box pop up randomly. They had one a couple months ago. This is the Halloween one. They'll have one, I think, for Christmas, which is kind of nice. You can kind of grab some goodies, some stocking stuffers if you're not too picky about what you get. They're usually $12 as well. No shipping, but you do pay taxes, and then you get these cute little boxes with them, and the Christmas one will be Christmas themed. So yeah, check out the link below if you hit subscribe. I'm still trying to decide if I should do a giveaway for more followers or not. If you want to see a giveaway, could you just comment below and let me know, and I will maybe start putting that together if I have enough interest. But thanks for watching. Have a good day.